Hello everyone, welcome to Pleasant Notes. Today we are going to solve practice set 6.1 from the lesson fraction. Question number 1, compare the following fractions. So here in first example, two fractions are given. We have to compare them as which one is greater. The fractions are 8 by 3 and 5 by 2. So for comparing them, here we have to make their denominators common or same. So here in first fraction the denominator is 3 and in second fraction denominator is 2. So for making them same, here we multiplied 3 with 2 and 2 with 3. In fraction 8 by 3, as the denominator 3, we are multiplying here it by 2. So as per the rule, here the numerator should be also multiplied with 2. So we have 8 2s are 16 and 3 2s are 6. And in second fraction, 2 is multiplying with 3. So numerator 5 with also multiply with 3. Then 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6. Here we have two fractions as 16 by 6 and 15 by 6. After comparison, the 16 6 parts are greater than 15 6 parts. Hence, the fraction 8 by 3 is greater than fraction 5 by 2. Second sum is 4 by 9, 3 by 7. These are also unlike fractions. Here also the denominators are different. So, let's make the denominators of both the fractions equal. Here in first fraction the denominator is 9 and in second fraction denominator is 7. So, we have to calculate their LCM or the same number which is present in both table, 9s also 7s also, and here that number is 63. So 9 7s are 63 and 7 9s are 63. So make the denominators common and then we will have the fractions as here 9 7s are 63, then numerator will be 4 7s are 28. And in second fraction 7 9s are 63, so numerator will be 3 9s are 27. After making denominator same, we have fractions as 28 by 63 and 27 by 63. So here 28 by 63 is greater than 27 by 63. Hence the fraction 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 7. Third sum is 7 by 10, 9 by 14. Again unlike fractions. So we have to make their denominators common. As we see the denominator 10 and 14, the 70 is the number which is common in both table, or we can calculate the LCM for these denominators. So 70, 10 7s are 70 and 14 5s are 70. So we have the fractions after multiplication or making the denominator same as 10 7s are 70 denominator, 7 7s are numerator 49. 49 by 17. One fraction is 49 by 70 and another fraction is 14 5s are 70 denominator, then 9 5s are 45 numerator. Hence the fraction is 45 divided by 7. Fraction 49 by 70 is greater than 45 by 70. Hence the fractions 7 by 10 is greater than 9 by 14. Question number 2 is write the following fractions in ascending and descending order. Ascending means from smallest to greatest and descending means from greatest to smallest. So here we have first example 11 by 8, 2 by 4, 7 by 2. All the fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to make their denominators common or find the LCM of these denominators 8, 4 and 2. So as we calculate the LCM of these 8, 4 and 2 is 8. Now make the denominator 8 of all these 3, and then we will have some different fractions. So how we can make the denominator 8 of all of these 3? That in first fraction 8 is the already denominator, so multiply 8 by 1, hence numerator also by 1. So we have fraction 11 by 8. For the second fraction, multiply 4 by 2 and numerator with also 2. Then we have 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. The second fraction is 4 by 8. In third fraction, multiply the denominator of third one, that is 2 with 4. Then we have 2 4s are 8. With numerator also by 4. 7 4s are 28. Then we have third fraction as 28 by 8. Now we have three fractions, 11 by 8, 4 by 8 and 28 by 8. The smallest is 4 by 8, then bigger one 11 by 8, and then next is 28 by 8. That will be the ascending order, 4 by 8, 11 by 8 and 28 by 8. And the descending order is opposite of it, 28 by 8, 11 by 8 and then 4 by 8. Now the original fractions of these, that 4 by 8 means the given fractions in the question, 2 by 4, then 11 by 8 and then 7 by 2 is the ascending order, and the descending order is opposite, 7 by 2, 11 by 8 and 2 by 4. Second example, 16 by 9, 5 by 3, 7 by 4. All these three are unlike fractions. Here also we have to find the LCM of the denominators 9, 3 and 4. So in 9's table, 3's table, 4's table, 36 we can get easily. So we will make the denominator of all these three as 36. Or the LCM of these 9, 3, 4 is also 36. Hence, the denominator in first fraction 9 4s are 36 and numerator 16 4s are 64. The fraction we have 64 by 36. Second fraction, the denominator is 3. 12 3s are 36. Hence, numerator 5 into 12, 12 5s are 60. So the number we are multiplying the denominator with, the same number we have to use for multiplication in the numerator. So the second fraction we have 60 divided by 36. Same for the third one, that 4 9s are 36. For making denominator 36 we have to multiply 4 by 9. 4 9s are 36 and numerator as 7 9s are 63. Now we have three fractions as 64 by 36, second one 60 by 36 and the third one 63 by 36. Now arrange these fractions in ascending and descending order. Ascending order will be 60 by 36, 63 by 36 and 64 by 36. Descending order will be opposite of ascending. Now the originally fractions that were given in question, that we have to arrange as ascending and descending as ascending order 5 by 3, 7 by 4, 16 by 9, and descending order 16 by 9, 7 by 4 and 5 by 3. Third question solve. Here some sums are given, plus and minus, addition and subtraction. The first one is 7 by 10 plus 3 by 10. As the denominator is same, we can easily add the numerators. They are 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 by 10 means answer is 1. Second one, 3 by 4 plus 2 by 6. Here the denominators are 4 and 6 and they are not the same. That is why the fraction is unlike fraction. So what we have to do here? We have to make the denominators common first, either by calculating LCM, or you can find the same number which is present in 4's table also, 6 tables also, and it is 12. So make the denominators common. So here 4 is present. For making it 12, 4 3s are 12, and in numerator 3 3s are 9, plus second fraction 6 2s are 12, and numerator 2 2s are 4. So here we have the denominator as 12. So easily add the numerators. 9 and 4, 13. 13 divided by 12. Answer is 13 by 12. Third sum is 1 by 3 plus 7 by 5. Again, unlike fractions, make the denominator same. Then here in first fraction 3 5s are 15, numerator 1 5s are 5, plus in second fraction 5 3s are 15, so in numerator 7 3s are 21. Now 5 plus 21, 26, and denominator is 15. Hence we have the fraction 26 by 15. Fourth one example. Again same procedure. Unlike fractions, so make the denominator common. Here in second fraction 5 is there. The 5 by multiplying with 2 can be easily. We will have the same denominator as 10. So 3 by 10 plus that 8 by 10. So in 3 by 10, 10 is already the denominator. So we are making the common denominator as 10. Hence multiply it with 1. So numerator 3 ones are 3 and denominator 10 ones are 10. Here in second fraction, the denominator 5 2s are 10 and numerator 4 2s are 8. So we have the fraction 8 by 10. Now the denominators are common. Now make addition, as 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 and denominator 10. Hence the answer is 11 by 10. Now the fifth one is subtraction. 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 3 is the denominator. Same denominator in both the fraction. Easily we can do the subtraction. That is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Sixth one example. 3 by 5 minus 3 by 7. The denominators are different. One is 5, another is 7. So make the denominators common first. In 5 and 7, in both table 35 is present there. So make the denominator 35. As in first fraction 5 into 7 35. So numerator 3 into 7 21. In second fraction 7 5s are 35 and 3 5s are 15 in numerator. Now we have 21 by 35 minus 15 by 35, which is equal to 6 by 35. Fourth one example is a house is built on 2/5 part of a plot and a garden is made on the remaining part. What part of the plot is made for the garden? So hence the solution is, here the one value is given, that is on the part of a plot, 2/5 part of a plot house is built and remaining part is of garden. So let us assume that whole part of a plot is 1 and house is built on the part given in question, that is 2 by 5. So if we minus this part of house from this whole part 1, then we will get the remaining part of garden. So here we have, let the whole part of a plot is equal to 1. A house is built on part 2 by 5. Therefore the whole part 1 is equal to 2 by 5 plus remaining part of garden, and the remaining part of garden is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5, which is equal to 3 by 5. How it came? Either by cross multiplication or making the denominators common. Add the number 1. There is denominator 1. If we make the denominator common as 5 or multiply that denominator as 5, in numerator also we will get 5, and that 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and we will have the answer 3 by 5. Here the practice set 6.1 is completed. Practice the examples. In next part of video we will solve the exercise 6. Till then, please subscribe the channel.